Hello, friends. We're moving into chapter 9 in math, which is measuring in metric units. Metric units are a little different than standard or US customary units, which we've been using. I'm going to go through a couple things with you on my ruler, and then there will be another video that talks about what we're working on today. Okay? So if we look at our ruler, we have been measuring with the inch side. Here it says inches. And on most rulers, we have gone over this. There's about 12 inches, which is about a foot. On your ruler, though, you'll notice that there's some numbers on the other side, either if you flip it over or if you spin it. So I'm going to spin my ruler. And the first thing I notice is that I don't have 12 centimeters on this side. I have 30. So a ruler that's about the same size as 12 inches would have 30 centimeters, which means that centimeters are smaller than inches. And you can look on here and see that my centimeters are just about as wide as my finger. If you put your fingertip on a centimeter, start at 0, it's about 1. Now if I look at my inches and I put my fingertip, look at that. It doesn't even come close to filling up a whole inch. So we know from just looking at this that centimeters are smaller than inches. Every other place in the world, just about besides the US, uses the metric system. So they would measure things in centimeters, meters, kilometers. And in the US, we measure in inches, feet, yards, and miles. So we're going to spend this chapter looking at the metric system of measuring things. Why do we use a different system than the rest of the world? It's for a lot of reasons, but we're lucky we get to learn both. Okay, so the one thing you need to remember, always remember moving forward, is that centimeters are smaller than inches. So there are 30 centimeters on a ruler where there are 12 inches. The little tiny lines on this ruler, if I slide it over and you look, are millimeters. So these little tiny spaces on your ruler right here, millimeters, the little ones. But the big numbers are centimeters. Sorry, my iPad did a little flippy flip there. All right, so we're going to go into the book review or the bookwork. It is section 9.2. We're going to skip section 9.1. Just follow along with the pages that I tell you in the video. Okay?